What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is DJ in Psyche here in Chiang Mai. We are doing amazing adventures, exploring lots of places, waterfalls, mountains, viewpoints. But today we are here in this amazing, beautiful place where we are going to explore Tat Mok Waterfall, which is deep inside this dense jungle. So let's go and explore. But make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our latest traveling videos. So let's go and explore Tat Mok Waterfall. Just walk down the path and just reach the Tat Mok Waterfall. The majestic Tat Mok Waterfalls. We have made it! Woohoo! Guys, we have made it to Tat Mok Waterfall alone, solo. And I'm super happy that I've driven all the way from Merim to Tat Mok Waterfall. And if you are living around Merim district, then you must come and explore this beautiful place because it's right near to all of these amazing adventures. So just check it out. Woohoo! Full power! Psyche! Check this out. Ooh, full power. I'm enjoying over here my best solo time. And you can see the waterfall just right behind me. Wow. I'm super happy, guys. Peace out.